Actually, I came to see Brewer Family Dentistry 25 years ago when I started working at the Modesto Irrigation District, and probably the most pleasant experience I ever had. I'm glad that I made that choice. The staff at Brewer Dentistry is unbelievable. They're so sweet, they're nice to communicate with, they work with you when you're trying to set up an appointment. They're happy and they're inviting. I've had too many specific procedures done here to mention, but what I'm in here for today is for a CEREC crown that's actually can be done in one visit, and you can have it, they can go ahead and take the mold and get the old crown off and make the new one in one visit, so it saves me a lot of time from work. There's one time, as a testimonial, that it was the day of my dad's funeral, and I had a retainer plate or a stay plate with a tooth in it waiting for an implant, and I lost it that day, and they met me down here and they actually rebuilt that just for the funeral. I would absolutely recommend the Brewer Family Dentistry to anybody and everybody, especially a family environment, because I love this practice. I mean, it's the only dentist I've been to for the last 25 years, and I would never change.